Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia and today we talk about next level skincare. Maybe you're not aware of it, but your expensive regenerative skincare routine is aging you faster than doing nothing at all. While you're throwing hundreds at Salmon DNA serums and exosome facials, you're creating cellular chaos that's sabotaging your skin. Here's the shocking truth they don't want you to know. Please listen to me well. If you think slapping on some retinol and calling it anti-aging is cutting edge, you're living in 2010. While you've been playing it safe with your basic routine, the beauty world has exploded into a regenerative revolution that's making traditional skincare look like cave paintings. But here's the kicker, and this is going to make you mad. 95% of people jumping on the regenerative bandwagon are doing it completely wrong. They're throwing thousands of dollars at Salmon DNA facials, exosome serums, and polynucleotide treatments without understanding the first thing about how these game-changing ingredients actually work. You guys, I'm about to expose the dirty truth about why your expensive next-level skincare routine might be sabotaging your skin worse than doing nothing at all. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why most people are failing spectacularly with regenerative ingredients, and how to avoid becoming another cautionary tale. The regenerative skincare market just hit 2,400% growth in searches this year alone. But here's what the industry and the media doesn't want you to know. Most of you are being scammed into buying overpriced glorified moisturizers labeled as exosome therapy. Stick around because I'm about to blow your mind with research that will completely change how you think about next-level skincare. You want to know what makes me absolutely furious? Walking into any high-end spa and seeing people drop $800 on a salmon sperm facial without asking a single question about what they're actually putting on their face. Here's the brutal reality. Most of you think regenerative skincare means buying the most expensive serum with exosomes on the label and slapping it on like your old night cream. Wrong. You're essentially paying premium prices for fancy packaging, while your skin gets zero of the actual regenerative benefits. Research shows that 80% of topical exosome products on the market contain degraded or inactive exosomes by the time they reach your bathroom shelf. But you guys keep buying them because some influencer with perfect lighting told you it's the fountain of youth in a bottle. And don't even get me started on the polynucleotide disaster I'm seeing everywhere. People are mixing salmon DNA serums with retinoids, acids, and vitamin C, like they're making a skincare smoothie. Newsflash, you're destroying the very molecules that could actually regenerate your skin. The worst part, you're probably using these revolutionary ingredients at the wrong pH. Wrong concentration, wrong time of day, and with completely incompatible products. Then you wonder why your $300 regenerative routine is giving you the same results as drugstore moisturizer. This is where I get really fired up, because what I'm about to tell you will make you question every so-called expert advice you've been following. Most of you are creating cellular chaos with regenerative ingredients and you don't even know it. Here's the shocking truth. Exosomes are nano-sized cellular messengers that need specific conditions to actually penetrate your skin and communicate with your cells. But you guys are layering them over silicone primers under occlusive moisturizers and mixing them with active ingredients that literally block cellular communication. Recent studies reveal that improper use of polynucleotides can actually trigger inflammatory responses instead of regeneration. Yet everyone's jumping on the salmon DNA bandwagon without understanding that these molecules need precise application protocols to work their magic. You want drama? Here's drama. I've seen viewer experiences where people using regenerative ingredients incorrectly developed more fine lines, increased sensitivity, and slower skin healing than before they started. They were literally aging their skin faster with anti-aging ingredients because they followed generic advice instead of understanding the science. The research is crystal clear. Exosomes work through specific cellular pathways that can be completely disrupted by common skincare mistakes. But nobody's talking about this because it's easier to sell you a $400 serum and hope if you don't ask questions about why it's not working. Now, let me blow your mind with what regenerative skincare actually does when you use it correctly. We're talking about ingredients that don't just moisturize or exfoliate. They literally reprogram your skin cells to behave younger. Exosomes are extracellular vesicles packed with growth factors, proteins, and genetic material that can actually change how your skin cells communicate. When applied properly, they trigger your fibroblasts to produce fresh collagen, activate stem cell regeneration, and repair damaged cellular structures from the inside out. Polynucleotides, specifically the DNA fragments from salmon, work by binding to adenosine receptors in your skin cells, kickstarting cellular repair mechanisms that have been dormant for years. The research shows these molecules can increase skin hydration by 40%, improve elasticity by 35%, and accelerate wound healing by 60%. But here's the key, and this is what separates the winners from the wasters. These ingredients need to be delivered at specific concentrations, at optimal pH levels, and with compatible carrier systems that actually get them where they need to go. Clinical studies prove that properly formulated regenerative treatments can reverse photoaging markers, restore barrier function, and trigger genuine cellular renewal. We're not talking about temporary plumping or surface-level improvements. This is actual skin regeneration at the molecular level. All right, you guys want the real deal? Here's exactly how to use regenerative ingredients like the skincare genius you're meant to be. Not the confused consumer the beauty industry wants you to stay. Step number 1, timing is everything. Exosomes and polynucleotides are best absorbed during your skin's natural repair cycle, which peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Apply these powerhouses on completely clean, slightly damp skin when cellular activity is at maximum efficiency. The key to polynucleotide success is layering strategy. These molecules need direct skin contact, so they go on first before any other serums or treatments. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for full absorption before adding anything else to your routine. For exosome products, look for cold chain storage and dark packaging. Light and heat destroy these delicate cellular messengers faster than you can say anti-aging. If your exosome serum has been sitting on a sunny store shelf, you're basically buying expensive water with fancy marketing. Here's what this does for your skin. When you use regenerative ingredients correctly, you're triggering multiple repair pathways simultaneously. Your skin starts producing more hyaluronic acid naturally. Collagen synthesis increases by up to 200%. And cellular turnover accelerates without the irritation of traditional acids. The reason I like this approach is that you're working with your skin's natural biology instead of against it. You're not forcing changes with harsh ingredients. You're giving your cells the tools they need to regenerate themselves. Now we're getting into the advanced stuff that separates the skincare masters from the wannabes. Step 2. If you want maximum regenerative results, you need to understand ingredient synergy and timing protocols that most dermatologists don't even discuss. The most powerful combination I've researched involves cycling between polynucleotides and exosomes rather than using them together. Week 1 focuses on DNA repair with salmon-derived polynucleotides. Week 2 amplifies the results with targeted exosome therapy. This cycling approach prevents cellular adaptation and maximizes regenerative response. For hair regeneration, the protocol changes completely. Polynucleotides work best when microneedled into the scalp at 1.5 millimeters depth, followed by exosome application 24 hours later. The research shows this combination can reactivate dormant hair follicles and increase your hair density by 40% within 12 weeks. But here's the advanced secret most people miss. Regenerative ingredients work exponentially better when combined with specific lifestyle factors. Intermittent fasting, cold therapy, and targeted supplementation create the perfect internal environment for cellular renewal to flourish. The most effective regenerative routines also incorporate red light therapy at 660 to 850 nanometers to stimulate mitochondrial function and enhance exosome uptake. This isn't just skincare anymore. This is biohacking your way to cellular regeneration. Trust me on this, when you master these advanced protocols, you're not just preventing aging, you're literally reversing it at the cellular level. The results are so dramatic that people will think you've had professional treatments when you've just unlocked your skin's natural regenerative potential. You guys, we've just covered the most cutting-edge information about regenerative skincare that most people will never hear. While everyone else is still arguing about retinol percentages, you now have the knowledge to harness actual cellular regeneration. Remember, regenerative skincare isn't about buying the most expensive products. It's about understanding the science and applying it correctly. You have the power to literally reprogram your skin cells to behave younger, but only if you follow the protocols that actually work. The choice is yours. You can keep wasting money on marketed miracles that don't deliver. Or you can become part of the small percentage of people who truly understand how to use these revolutionary ingredients for maximum results. If this video opened your eyes to what's really possible with regenerative skincare, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-based beauty secrets that actually work. Drop a comment and tell me which regenerative ingredient you're most excited to try correctly. Your skin's regenerative transformation starts right now. Don't let another day go by wondering what could have been. The future of your skin is literally in your hands, and trust me, it's going to be absolutely incredible. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.